Hi, boys and girls. Thank you so much for helping to decorate the path. So many people came out and enjoyed it, and then we realized we forgot to put trash cans. So now we added some trash cans. So let's take a look at this key for the path sections. So a fence is going to be worth 10 steps. So if you took 10 steps, you'd walk the full length of that fence. The bench is going to take 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The trash can is a length of just 2 steps. 1, 2, 2 steps. And the flower pot is just 1 step long. 1. So let's take a look at this section of the path from here to here. How long is it? How do you know? Maybe you were thinking, oh, I see 2 fences. And that means it's 10 and another 10. And 10 and 10 is 20. So maybe you were thinking of it as an equation. 10 plus 10 equals 20. So let's write and solve addition equations to find out how long each path section is. So let's take a look at this path section. I see a bench, another bench, and then a fence. And I remember a bench is worth 5 steps. So I have 5, 5, and 10. What equation could I write? So maybe you were thinking 5 plus 5 plus 10, and you're maybe thinking that's 20 steps long because you were thinking, oh, I know 5 and 5 together makes 10. And 10 plus 10 is 20, just like we figured out up here. And look, the paths appear to be the same length. Let's take a look at the next path. Look, now it's just a fence and then a bench and a bench. It's almost like they took this part of the path and turned it around. Like the commutative property of addition. So what would the addition equation look like? Now we have 10 plus 5 plus 5 equals 20 because you remember a 5 and a 5 together makes a 10. Double 10s makes a 20. But what about if you wanted to do the fence and the bench together and then add another bench? Maybe you wrote 15 plus 5 for this one. That's okay too, whatever strategy you're using. Let's try another one. Okay, so here we have a fence that's worth 10 steps. A flower pot, 1, 1, 1, 3 flower pots. And then a garbage can worth 2 and a bench worth 5. So 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 5. Well, we could do that equation, but do you have another way we could write it? How would you choose to write this equation? I'm noticing a bench, like this bench. I'm noticing a fence, like this fence. But look at this space where this other bench was. Look what they fit in that exact same space. They fit 3 flowers and a garbage can. 3 flowers, that's 1 plus 1 plus 1. And a garbage can worth 2. Oh, I know what 3 plus 2 is. Is that why it fits in the exact same spot? What equation would you write? Sure, we could try 10 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5. What's a 3 and a 2 make? That's right, it makes a 5. So let's think of it as 10 plus 5 plus 5. Wait, isn't that what we did right here? And 10 plus 5 plus 5 does make a 20. Is there any other way you can think about that problem? What would your equation look like? What's your strategy? Okay, let's try the last one. All right, boys and girls, for the last one, we have a bench, a fence, a flower pot, a trash can, and then another flower pot. What equation could we write? Maybe you put the 2 flower pots together, and so you put the trash can and another flower pot together and turn that into a 3. So maybe now you're thinking 5 plus 10 plus 2 plus 3. Ooh, a turnaround. 2 plus 3 is a 5. So maybe now you're thinking 5 plus 10 plus 5. Put your 5s together and think 10 plus 10 is 20. Get your packets ready.